Deep within the heart of the Indian jungle, where the sun dipped into the horizon and painted the sky with hues of crimson and gold, a legendary figure roamed the dense foliage. His name was Mowgli, the man-cub raised by wolves and nurtured by the wisdom of the forest. With a heart full of wonder and a spirit of adventure, Mowgli navigated the treacherous paths, always on the lookout for the next great discovery. As he wandered through the underbrush, the scent of damp earth and decaying leaves filled his nostrils, and the sound of rusting leaves beneath his feet echoed through the stillness. The forest was alive, and Mowgli was a part of it. His senses were heightened, and he moved with the stealth of a predator, his eyes scanning the surroundings for any sign of danger. It was then that he spotted her, a majestic snake coiled beneath the shade of an ancient banyan tree. Her scales glistened in the fading light like polished jewels that refracted the sun's rays. Mowgli's heart skipped a beat as he took in the sight of the serpent, her body a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. The snake, sensing Mowgli's presence, slowly raised her head, her eyes locking onto the man-cub with a piercing gaze. For a moment, the two simply regarded each other, the only sound the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. Mowgli felt a shiver run down his spine as he realized that this was no ordinary snake. She was a creature of great power and wisdom, a guardian of the forest's secrets. As the moments ticked by, the snake began to move, her body gliding effortlessly across the forest floor. Mowgli watched in awe as she navigated the terrain with a fluidity that belied her size and strength. The snake was a master of the jungle, a creature of stealth and cunning, and Mowgli felt a deep respect for her as she moved with a quiet confidence. The two continued to move through the forest, their paths crossing and recrossing as they explored the jungle's depths. Mowgli learned that the snake's name was Kali, a creature of great knowledge and power, who had lived for centuries, watching the forest grow and change around her. As they walked, Kali shared her wisdom with Mowgli, teaching him about the delicate balance of the ecosystem and the intricate web of life that bound the jungle together. As the night deepened, Mowgli and Kali came to a clearing where the stars twinkled like diamonds in the sky. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the sound of crickets provided a soothing background hum. In this peaceful setting, Mowgli felt a deep connection to the forest and to the creatures that lived within it. Kali, sensing Mowgli's wonder, spoke to him in a voice that was both gentle and commanding. Mowgli, you are a part of this forest, a thread in the intricate tapestry of life. Remember that you are not separate from the natural world, but a part of it, connected to every living thing that surrounds you. As the night wore on, Mowgli and Kali sat together in silence, watching the stars twinkle above. The man-cub felt a sense of peace wash over him, a sense of belonging to the forest and its creatures. And as he looked into Kali's eyes, he knew that he would never forget the lesson she had taught him. that he was a part of something much greater than himself, a part of the majestic web of life that bound the jungle together. From that day forward, Mowgli and Kali roamed the forest together, exploring its depths and learning from each other. The man cub had found a true friend in the majestic snake, and together they navigated the jungle's secrets, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. And so, the legend of Mowgli and Kali lived on, a testament to the power of friendship and the interconnectedness of all living things. For in the heart of the Indian jungle, where the sun dipped into the horizon and painted the sky with hues of crimson and gold, a man cub and a majestic snake had found a bond that would last a lifetime.